ladybug. Hey guys, it's Timotha XO, indie artist, songwriter, producer, wife, and soon to be a mom. So let's dive right in. Tip number 6, make a great big salad with homemade dressing. I am all about the greens. You know, to me it's all about the greens, especially when you're pregnant, but just in general trying to get healthy. Greens are kind of neglected. We tend to always skew towards fruit, you know, because it's sweet. Who doesn't like sweet, right? But we have to make room for greens in our diet, and we should actually be getting more greens than we are fruit. And so what I do, like I said, we do the green juice in the morning or a green smoothie or something like that. And then now dinner time, I will have something like a soup, like the broccoli potato soup, and then a nice green salad with homemade dressing. So I like to use the organic spring mix, where it has like the baby spinach, the kale, the arugula, so, you know, different things in it. I love to do the spring mix with that, and it just has a lot of really good healthy greens already mixed up in it. It's pre-washed, it's simple and easy, and let's face it, we need it quick. We got a lot to do. And then I do a homemade dressing, because a lot of times there's a lot of hidden toxins, sugars, additives in dressings that are healthy that we get from the store. So I just have found that I just like to make my own dressing. I know I used to do like a grapeseed oil with lemon juice, and I would use like honey, or you know, to kind of make it sweet, I would do that, and that would be my dressing. But now I've been loving this avocado dressing. Basically what it is I take one avocado, and then I use a little bit of Celtic salt, or you can use pink Himalayan salt, sea salt, you know, just a good salt, not iodized salt, but just a good sea salt. I love Celtic salt. So you take one avocado, you take a good quality sea salt or Celtic salt, and then I use the doTERRA. Let me see, I don't have it here, but this is the doTERRA brand oils. I can link it down below in the description. I use lemon and lime. So I'll put a couple drops of, oh so good, a couple drops of the lemon and a couple drops of the lime oil. Plus I'll juice a half of a lime. You could also juice a half of a lemon. I just squeeze it. I have one of those cute, handy, nifty juicers. And I'll just put that in there, mix that up, and I'll put a little bit of water in it so that it kind of has a consistency. It's not so thick, has a consistency of a thicker dressing, but not as thick as like what guacamole would be. And then I'll mix that and blend that into my salad with some cherry tomatoes. Sometimes I'll use a spiralizer and make a little zucchini. So let me know if you want to know fun recipes for salads and more of my salad dressing recipes. Put it in the comments below, and also let me know if you have some good recipes, because I'm always looking for good, healthy, homemade salad dressing, quick and easy recipes. So let me know, and let me know if you want me to do a video on different salad recipes and homemade dressing recipes. But that is tip number 6, a great big green salad with homemade dressing. So thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.